And we are live. What's up, chat? What's good, everybody? Um, Several things I'm looking at today. Targeting these double highs. Oh, this is so bullish right now, bro. I mean, I was looking for longs, but I don't really know. Let me put the disclaimer up real quick. This is my disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. Come on, foot up on the gas, but somebody's gotta do it. Didn't want to see price react like that. Yes, we also swept the highs. This would be a nice little long setup potentially. We are approaching the macro. We are approaching the macro. Making sure my stream is going good. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody's gonna do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody's gonna do it. This chair's so fucking squeaky. Excuse my language. Yeah, so this is a threshold for the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna make that fair value gap orange. Aditya, hi. What's up, Aditya? How you doing? Damn, this thing keeps squeaking. Let's bring my laptop closer. We're now inside the macro. I want to see how we react to this inverse on the 15 minute. Come on, foot up on the gas, but somebody's gonna do it. Okay, we've now inverted this. In 20 seconds, we'll have known if we inverted it or not. And if we do, I'm looking to take. No, not really. Not really looking for anything, actually. Screw that. But these are the target. That's the target for today. Actually, this is the target. This is what I was looking at last night, and this is what I think we're going to hit today. But I just need to get a good entry at a good price, and then I'll just ride it all the way, honestly. Pause. Oh man, I'm just missing my entries. Am I not? My boy Gady Trades is streaming. Everyone tune in. Gady was in the stream the other day. He's a good trader. I respect him. Yeah. I don't know. This is too bullish for me to get in. I mean, I should have just got in on the retracement, but put my stop right here at the entry to this fair value. I don't know. Something just seems artificial about this. I know we're getting displacement now, so it's actually looking super clean, but I mean, if I take this square, I put a stop loss 6-1. Oh, 30-point stop loss is not my thing. I'm not doing that bullshit. Do not do 30-point stop losses, bro. It's way too much money. With all due respect, I'm not risking that much on a trade. Gotta risk money to make money, but when you risk too much money, then that's when you risk your account. Yeah, somebody's gotta do it. Five session still doesn't feel that like strong to me for some reason. Little practice trade. That's a 50. That's 54 points right there. That's crazy. Potential swing high. If it's a swing high, then I can start looking for my long entries. It looks like we're escaping that opening range, so we don't. It's not just going to be one of those days. I hope it won't. I mean, yeah, we'll see. Fill up on the gas, but somebody's gonna do it. There we go, Gus. I didn't actually take that though, so we Gooch. We are Gucci. $15-minute inverted fair value gap is a point of interest. Man, price is just gonna keep running. It seems like this is just gonna be a crazy Friday. With so much trendline liquidity to just execute like, straight up. Come back down, please. Sometimes we wait and we never get an entry. So that's how the game goes. First presented fair value gap could just be a breakaway, you know. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody's gonna do it. Yeah, this is insane, bro. Damn, I could have longed this already. I could have longed it when I saw it down here, starting to displace, be up like 40 points already. But I'm not gonna do that. Because who knows what it would do. This is not a. I don't think any. I don't think I was presented with any good ICT setups, to be honest. I mean, sup, brother? Oh, Karan Aswani, what's good? It's been a minute since you were in the stream, but what's up, bro? How you doing? How you feeling? What's your take on the market today? I'm bullish. I'm bullish for sure, 100%. Damn, my desk, bro. Dow is like looking to come lower, it seems. I mean, it looks like it's just retracing, but screw Dow. I barely pay attention to it, respectfully. Give me 1 second, guys. Bullish as well. Tape reading today. Yeah, bro. I'm not tape reading. I'm trading. I know. Yeah, you're tape reading, but I wanted to catch that move, dude. But it is what it is. I mean, I've been had a bullish bias. It would be more logical if I just freaking executed, but it is what it is, you know. I'm not getting an entry right now. Paper trade at 3 minute inverse fair value gap targeting Asia highs. S&T is also there, so it's A plus setup. Yeah, exactly. This was literally the best setup we could get today. Oh, this is dummy simple, bro. Dummy simple. And now look at that. We've now taken. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on. All it took, man, just to get filled, bro. I was already looking at longs, but yeah, it's cool. I'm not tripping about it. We did great in the stream yesterday on the Asia session, so New York AM session profits are optional, you know. No, I'm just kidding, but you know, I'm not tripping about anything. This is what we did in the Asia session yesterday. 696, and let's check out the trade. Yeah, this was a trade. That was a trade in the Asia session. Swept sell side, manipulated, inverted fair value gap, boom, all the way to buy side. And yeah. This is gonna keep running. It seems. It's gonna might be a continuation day. Looking for a very strong pullback before lunchtime, and I want to catch a trade before 12. I want to be in and out before 12. That's ideal, but you know, you never know what you're gonna get. So yeah, we've already swept so many equal highs. This is like the last point of contention. That's yeah. Please retrace for me. Retrace. Not too worried either way. I'm good walking away with this bag, anyways. I mean, it's always nice to have more, but it's not nice to be greedy about it. So I'll do what the market wants me to do. I'll do what my what my psychological rules allow me to do. First point of contention, first liquidity. Yeah, this is simple. I just didn't see a retrace into this fair value gap. We left it open, it seems. Breakaway fair value gap. After sweeping this high, it just didn't seem strong enough for me to long. You took 60 points. Good work, Karan. Good stuff. Glad to hear that. Glad to see that. Good stuff. Nice. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Retrace, maybe. Coming down a bit into that fair value at 1 minute. That's not strong enough for me to take the trade. I need something a lot bigger for pullback. I was waiting for that New York reversal though. This was my sign that we're reversing. This was a sign right here. Could have been a little bit more quicker to it, but it is what it is. Can't win them all, and sometimes you don't even take them. Okay, we'll see what happens now. We shall see what happens. By the way, we're getting some type of pullback here. I don't know, but 927, 3 minute fair value gap. Sure. Yeah. Oh, so you took that. You took that to the tick. Nice. Oh, that's a man. You paper trading wise, because I know you paper traded it. That's really good. Good work, bro. Really good. I missed the trade, but that's okay. My old self would have just fucking longed up here. So, yeah. Either way, remaining disciplined. Gonna take what the market gives to us. I'm not gonna take what I don't like. And yeah, whatever money in the market you make through bad habits, that money will be returned shortly to the markets. I'm not really looking at any more SMTs at the highs. I'm not going to pay attention to those. I don't think they're going to be really like logical today. Um, we're clearly not just consolidating and ranging. I mean, we're having a continuation potential day. And, my weekly target was 21,025, this liquidity. And I feel like we might reach there today, honestly. We've already extended, like 100 points since market open. So, I mean, yeah, we have the potential, actually. We're still in the macro. I just want to see a setup, bro. Live streaming every day, by the way. Asia, New York. New York, I won't be live streaming next week at all. But it will be Asia session every single day next week. Yeah, that's a good point, Karan. That's a good point. I mean, the targets, yeah, I don't know. I feel like just longing it right here, winging it, but no, can't do that. It's such a. Can we just take that? Longing at the high of the move is insane. I'm not doing that. Not doing that at all. Fuck no. It is frustrating to see it just go without you, though. I'll admit that. It's definitely frustrating. Because I know I could. We'll paper trade it. We'll paper trade that. We're not going to actually trade this net right now then. 14. And just put our take profit all the way up here. 51 points. I need a deeper retracement for me to enter, bro. These continuation days are not my thing, bro. It's so freaking. That's so annoying to see this, bro. That's so annoying. Why did it have to accelerate so fast, bro? That's so annoying. I know a lot of ICT traders missed out today. Because they're looking for price to tap into that first percentage fair value yet. I know a lot of ICT traders missed out today. By the way, new video up on the channel, posted at 9 a.m. Everyone please go check that out after this live stream. Made some money Thanksgiving. Yeah, we did pretty good on Thanksgiving. On stream. Yeah, we did pretty good. Still in the oh my gosh, look at that, bro. This is so frustrating to see, bro. It's just gonna tap into my target, and then it's gonna tap into even more targets after that, bro. And then I'm gonna miss the whole move. And yeah, it's simple. That's a 1-to-1. I could have just taken that, bro. But nah. This is for sure annoying as fuck. Excuse me. Excuse my language. Yeah, it's pretty obvious what's happening. Very obvious. We're just extending higher. I mean, this is clearly a market maker buy model. Doesn't get more obvious than that. We swept this sell side. Bro, what time did we sweep this sell side? 8:50. Wow. And we started to extend higher. Then 9:30 market open, and we just start to yo, there's no way, bro. We're on to 200 subscribers, by the way. Everyone, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost there to 200. Once you get halfway to take profit, move your stop to break even. And now, let's see if this goes the distance. This is an insane continuation day. Didn't expect it to happen this quick though, but I mean, yeah. We can just delete this at this point. I don't want to see that anymore. Okay, we'll keep it on. There we go. This was the retest. This was the potential entry. I didn't see anything there. Did not take it. Oh man. This is what I could have taken on the 2-minute order block. Put my stop right here. That's too big of a stop loss for me, but I mean, could I have taken it, put my stop loss here? Yeah. That's what my original entry idea was, but 20-point stop loss for me is just too much. I like to do 10, 12, not 20. Makes a difference to me. So yeah. But it's also about risk to reward. I could say I was afraid to enter though. That's a possibility, yeah. I'm not afraid of admitting that. At least I know I'm walking away from this week more disciplined, more patient, ready to attack next week. This is just annoying and irritating to witness, but it is what it is. It's not going to take out that high immediately, hopefully. This is so fucked up, but price. Why would it do this to me? Wait, no. 21,025 is literally the best level to target, in my opinion, for at least what I want to look for. Oh, we even had a freaking option to enter right there, bro. I put that entry too. This is so irritating. I'm not gonna FOMO into any position now. 'Tuesday's highs are pretty clean. Yeah, that's what I'm paying attention to. I feel like I should just start buying the fucking retracements, bro. Like, so damn. Yeah, I don't want to build any FOMO in the chat. I mean, this shit happens all the time. It runs without you. You just have to learn how to be more patient when it does. You know, I have all the buy side liquidity levels marked out, so we've now exited the macro. Clearly, we had this one little entry in the macro. You know, that was it, bro. That was it. I could have taken that too, and I would have put my stop right here or something. That's just not that feels like it's certain to hit my stop loss though, in the moment. So yeah, I'm up 38 points on. 40 points on this paper trade at least. I'll count the paper trade. Literally, we just hardly entered this fair value gap, and then yeah, and then we just accelerated. This is insane. It sucks to watch the whole thing happen, but yeah, just gonna have to be patient, disciplined, whatnot. Slowly grinding against me. I mean, grinding upwards, not against me. I'm not in a position. The type of shit that had at the Nasdaq. Look at angry baby. Holy shit. I knew ES was gonna damn near. Is ES about to create all? Yeah, ES is creating all-time highs today. That's what I called on stream like several times. This is gonna be a very good buy day in my opinion. Fuck, bro. Excuse my language. I'm not even in a position, but that's a problem. Or that's the solution. There's nothing wrong with not being in a position, but damn, it actually sucks to miss these types of huge moves and just watch them. But it keeps you disciplined, keeps you inclined to not make bad decisions. So yeah. To Jay, what's good, bro? What's good? Thumbs up, yes sir. Retrace. Please do whatever you need to do to retrace, and I would long you. I'd literally long the crap out of Nasdaq. I'm willing to long Nasdaq to. We can retrace to here. That'd be very nice. That'd be pleasant, quite pleasant. This fair value gap. I'm gonna X out this paper trade. We don't really need it up there. Y'all saw it. Hello, what's up, Sedia1? How you doing, bro? Tuning in again, I see. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Thank you for being here. Okay. We shall see what happens here. I'm gonna probably film a video on SMT divergences because this entire week we've had SMT divergences everywhere, bro. Right here at the highs. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of what kept price bouncing, so I'm gonna be discussing that on a video for sure. Getting a new monitor today, hopefully. And I mean, my monitor right now is good. The new monitor is for sure gonna take up a fuck ton of space, but that's okay. It's gonna be a huge one, so I might start trading on that and then put the Streamlabs on my regular laptop screen. That'd be cool. That'd be nice. I don't really mind doing either, to be honest, but got my foot up on the gas because somebody gotta do it. Like I love my current setup. How much bag for today, bro? It was really just the Asia session last night, 696, but Yeah, I was really thinking about longs, but I didn't see anything adequate, so I just didn't take them. But yeah, that's about it. We paper traded the longs, but nothing much for me today, except for the Asia bag. Very proud of that. Very happy with that. I gotta film that SMT divergence video. That's such a good idea for this week. This week has so many good examples. Probably title the video "The Best SMT Examples You'll Ever See," or that the market's presented. That's great. Thank you, bro. What about you? How's it going for you? How's the trading going? Did you catch the longs this morning? Let me know, bro. Let me know. I was also trying to play London reversal, but I never ended up doing it. I probably lost like $10 doing that. But yeah, Asia trade was all live last night. Caught like 50 points right here, 51. And yeah, Asia stream, man, that shit was amazing. That was such a fun stream. So glad we did it. Yeah, so glad the trade worked out as well. Everybody, please hit. I know I remind you all a lot, but please hit that subscribe button. Almost at 200 subscribers. Trying to hit that by the end of the day. 17 away. 17 away. I'd really appreciate that. It's like the end of day market closed, but for my subscriber count. Oh man, these fucking market jokes are not gonna save me today. SMT divergence with ES, but ES is gonna create all-time highs today. I'm calling it right here, right now. Okay, maybe some type of pullback that we can long off of. Maybe. Shit. Literally, I'm only using one screen. Don't need anything else from me. I'm just chilling. I'm cooling. I don't need anything other than just one nice, succinct screen that I can see everything with. And that is my laptop screen. I don't even have a PC. I just trade on my laptop and my monitor. That's all you really need as a trader. A lot of people just like to over budget, add to their expenses. Unnecessary. Looking for some type of deep retracement. I don't want to see anything minor. I don't want to see anything small. We'll see what happens. I mean, yeah, not really tripping about price action right now. It's clearly overextended. If I were to long right now, that's what ICT likes to call chasing price. Yeah, I mean, maybe we can retrace to 937. Maybe this fair value gap, and that is 100,000% entry for me, depending on the velocity and how you reach there. But yeah, we'll see. Keeping my charts nice and simple. I know I have a little bit too much on it right now. We can delete the macro thing. We can delete this 15-minute inverse fair value gap. It's not that important. We'll keep this IFVG right here. And delete this. Can also delete that. Charts are so nice, so clean, so simple. That's how I like to keep it. Nice and aesthetic. I don't like to clutter my charts with all this type of bullshit, random information. So yeah. Maybe we're getting that pullback I was asking for. And I just really I'm not going to get fooled and try and long at the wrong time, hopefully, but this is definitely one of those FOMO days, so it's better to be patient and get that A plus set up. So I'm not just going to long off this small little retracement, not just going to market buy right here, Got to be more patient. I don't see anything that we're doing, so, I mean, yeah. And we very well could just blast off and make this an order block, bullish order block, and just go. But if that happens, then that's good. But not good for me, but, I mean, that's just good for psychological discipline. Being able to comprehend certain market structures, market situations where you're not going to have an entry, but price is going to do what you want it to do. Sitting on my hands, this is part of the process. Is there a fair value gap here? Higher time frame fair value gap? I mean, it's an inverse fair value. Or no, it's not even an inverse. You just respect it. So, We'll see what happens. I feel like we might just chop lower and then start to accelerate upwards again. I'm not getting fooled by that one green candle, to be honest. This is a no news Friday, so I'm honestly not surprised. I really wanted to see these levels get hit by the end of the week, so yeah. 21.025 is like the top target for me today. I've been looking for that target all week, so I think that's what we're gonna hit today. But yeah, that's my price theory for today. It's good that actually we had a little pause to all the action in the middle of the week and we just took a deep retracement all the way down, you know? So basically, I've been calling the reversal, but then we took a nice retracement here. Came right back up, but yeah. Not taking that, but hypothetically. This is a practice trade, you know. We're already rejecting. I want to see us sweep this low. Then again, like, I'm not expecting this to work out. It's a 7-point stop loss too, so. How long did it take for me to learn ICT? 6 months, but I mean, I'm always learning too. Like, you gotta find out new things. Like, I've only recently started using inverse fair value gaps, like, more often, order blocks more often. So, like, it's like ICT is like a bag that you fill with candy. And each piece of candy brings value into your trading. So, yeah, so hopefully that's a good enough analogy. It takes you as long as you need. I mean, you gotta also do a lot of back testing, a lot of testing when the market's actually active, tape reading. For me, live streams are both my tape reads and actual trades. But yeah, the reason I took this short is because I expect price to have a little acceleration on this retracement, and if we sweep this low and just immediately accelerate back up, then I'll take the long. But clearly, we're not doing that. I've caught 50 trades on a practice trade today. This was it right here. 50 points. I meant not. Did I say 50 trades? Okay, 50 points on the practice trade earlier. Now, hopefully, when we get this, it'll be the right setup for me. Hopefully, but I'm not gonna ask for too much right now. So then again, oh wait, actually, hold on. I do want to find the equilibrium of this price leg. Equilibrium. This price leg. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody's on. Consequent encroachment. Yeah, we're at consequent encroachment right now of this price leg. I don't want to see us tap back up into the. Like, if we create a fair value up here, I don't want to see us tap back into this. I want to see us move lower. So, yeah. Honestly, ICT is really looking for what you do and do not want to see. I've been kind of pointing that out a lot on stream indirectly. So, yeah. Somebody's Malo Demon and Malo Demon. I do not want to see us come back right here. I don't want to see us tap that if we want to see lower. So I said I don't want to see that, but I didn't say it's not certain. So I didn't say it's certain to not happen, but yeah. Still expecting a little bit lower prices. So this is like a 15-minute swing high now, almost. I mean, it might actually just form one, to be honest. And we might just tap into this 15-minute fair value gap down here. Let's draw that out. 60-minute FVG. Oh, excuse me. And so that, if we can tap into that, and then, take some little displacement to the upside, I would absolutely love to take longs, but I don't really want to take longs right here. Okay, so let's assume we invert this, which I don't think is going to happen right now. Maybe not immediately. If we can invert that, then longs are on the table as well, but it might not happen. No, we might not even enter this. Yeah. I think too many people, with ICT, like try and place importance on random fair value gaps, like random ass ones. But it's really about, this fair value gap's important. But there's several fair value gaps like on the way up that we're just not going to look at, to be honest. Oh, I'm tempted to just short, bro. Stop loss literally 50, but look at that. Almost got stopped out of a hypothetical short in my brain. That's not good. So are we already inverting that fair value gap? That's the question. If we invert it, I want to see us use it as support, and that's a potential entry for me. But I just don't know. I mean, this might just start consolidating. It's a Friday, And it's 10:30. A little bit late to the action. My gosh, bro. This shit really just pisses me off. 20-point stop loss. Nah, not doing that. If I put my stop loss here, I'd probably be safe, though. No. Yeah, we're watching price, honestly. I don't give a shit what happens now. Quick tip for reading fair value gap, bro. You want to understand how price reacts when it's inside of it, or if it just taps into it. You want to understand. You also want to use them in your favor. So this is a bearish fair value gap. So if it were to just tap into it and reject lower, then that means price is still bearish. But if it were to just invert it like what it's doing now, we want to see it come up, use it as support, and go higher. Good question. What the fuck is this? Excuse my language. Tapping back into equilibrium of the price leg. I mean, that could mean something, right? I mean, tapping back into the 25th percentile. Or, top quadrant. Little tape reading session. Not really doing anything. Yeah, we'll see if this stop loss gets hit. It might. If not, that'd be cool. Oh my gosh, I was just thinking about a market long. Just stop loss right below here, this price leg. That's a con little stop loss, bro. I could have taken that. I'm not gonna take it though. Sitting on my hands and waiting because price is moving too slow for me. It's just not allowing entries. And it looks like we're gonna rush and take out this high. Yeah, I'm longing. I think I'm gonna long. This is such a FOMO entry. I'm not doing it. Holy, I'm battling like everything psychologically right now. Everything psychologically is telling me to just enter, but can't do that. Gotta stick to my rules. We did invert that and use that as support, which is like awesome, but I'm not. ES is gonna create all-time highs. ES is gonna create all-time highs today, hopefully. And I want to see what price does here. Use it one more time as support. If you do, I will enter. My finger is on the trigger.
Order
okay,
filled.
I'm in. This could be a hasty entry. That's okay. Stop and take profit is here. These highs, 32 points. Oh, I'm not satisfied with that position at all. Not satisfied, but I'm taking it because I want my weekly targets, and yeah, it's 1 to 3. So yeah, just letting y'all know I do not like the fucking position at all. We'll see what happens. If I lose, then I'm not trading again today, and I'll probably end stream too. It's been a very, very tape read heavy stream. Finally inverted these fair value gaps, so I was like, bro, what am I sitting on my hands for? I feel like if we come back down to test this one, then we're certainly going lower with price. So I just want to not be on the losing end of that. So I feel like my stop loss is nice and safe, nice and snug over there. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So I don't like to trade this type of fucking bullshit, bro. Alright, yeah, what the fuck? Oh. Not ending stream either way, but that's just so fucked what the price just did right there. I think it's just retesting that fair value gap. If this take profit hits, this is elite stop loss placement, but at this point there's no guarantees. Look at what the fuck price is doing, man. This is crazy. It's like it's literally targeting me, man. Excuse my language, by the way. Yo. Come on, bro. What's going on? Come on, price. Getting emotional. Loki shouldn't be getting emotional at all. It's not how I've been trading lately. I just know it was a bad entry, so that's just what really pisses me off. I really could have put my entry in this inverse fair value gap. Hey, if this hits the take profit, I need to ask y'all a question. Are you guys entertained, bro? Because look at the stop loss placement. Oh my gosh. 1 point away. 1 point. Are y'all not entertained, bro? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Watch it come down and stop me out after all that. That'd be funny. But either way, I'll tape read if my stop loss gets hit. I don't mind. I've already made my profits on the week. We're up nicely on the week. Like, ooh, we're up pretty good. I'm very happy with the way the week's gone. And I've learned so much this week, both on stream, off stream. Yeah, talking to all the viewers, everything. It's been a great experience. It's been a great experience for sure. I want to see this price leg displace above this recent price leg. I want to see on the 1 minute just displace above, and I'll use my magnet right here. I want to see us just displace above that. Yeah, we've taken the high. I don't want to see us consolidate. I want to see us accelerate. I want to see us also come back to here. And yeah. It's the next target. Oh man, that stop loss placement, it is genuinely the best I've ever had in my life. This happened 2 nights ago on Asia session. Stop loss literally almost got hit by 1 point twice. Oh man, this is insane, bro. Y'all saw it here first. I'm not a magician. Maybe I am though. Maybe. I got emotional though. That was a little bit of a problem. I got emotional and I saw that, recognized it, and I realized should not be emotional even in the face of losses. So yeah. Although it's bad to be devoid of emotions, you can definitely feel them and understand them and comprehend them when trading, but you just don't want to be an emotional pig where you're just eating up all your fucking anger, all this. But yeah, then again, price is just looking like it's just slowly dredging upwards, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all why 29.90 is my target, and yeah, it's just because it's just some intermediate highs right here. So yeah, I go to the bathroom so bad, bro. But we're in this trade right now, and I can't get up. I'm frozen. I'm stuck to my seat. We swept the recent high. I really wanted to see displacement. That was too close for comfort. Yeah, dude. Honestly. Hey, but that's why we got the stop losses, though. That's why we got the stop losses. I was wrong about my idea, right? If I was wrong, and I still could be wrong, right? You never know. But considering the fact that it's like going in my favor now, then it was clearly just a quick accumulation of buy orders before we run towards buy stops, which are sellers placing their stop losses at the point of liquidity. That's the essence of what buy side and sell side liquidity is. So, yeah, it's got some interesting price action now. Keep sweeping that high. It feels like a damn order block at this point. But yeah, definitely just looking for that displacement. Really badly want it. But based on the looks of it, you know, price is just acting so jiggy right now. It's low volume. This we might have just transformed into low probability conditions, if anything. But yeah, because look at this. This is beautiful price action, bro. I want to see a continuation, like really badly. And all I needed was a retracement, and I could have actually longed once we inverted this fair value gap. That way, my stop loss would be like maybe lower, like right here, whatever. But yeah. Okay. Now I don't want to see price close below this candle now. And the reason I place my stop loss right here is actually because there's an inverted fair value gap, and I don't want to see us come back and retest that if we're bullish, you know? So, yeah. It was simple. Stop loss to break even. Moving it back down. We're accelerating too much. We're literally about to take this high, so I'm like considering just taking two partials off at this high, but if we take that high, then it's more certain to take the next one. That's why I'm just holding my position. I just texted Engagey Trades stream. Peep my stop loss on stream, bro. Let's see what he said.
Beat my loss on stream. Where should I look, brother? What is Gems? Gems is my trading model. Gems is my trading.
There we go. This is the displacement I was asking for. And yeah, now we're accelerating. Hey, tight stop losses and get rewarded for holding through and just playing it nicely. But imagine getting stopped and then seeing that. That's a really, really unfortunate and just tough pain to handle. So glad it's now going in my favor. Very thankful. Hey, y'all Man, tell me you're entertained. Please tell me you're entertained because goodness gracious, that is some insane stop loss placement. Insane. I'm holding through to my take profit. I feel like it's just gonna slowly inch forward. I use a slug analogy. Slug moves or snail or whatever moves like this, right? That's what I feel like price is gonna do. It's gonna keep on retracing, keep on moving, and whatnot. And yeah, this is a sweep though, and I don't like the looks of that. That definitely does not look good to me. There's not even a fair value gap that's retracing into, so yeah. Don't you take it? Take what? My profits? No, not yet. Not taking profits. I don't see a reason. Okay.
Order filled.
Exited. Oh, it's just coming back on me. Yeah, I just exited. Profits are looking pretty nice today. Could have taken 250. That's okay though. Happens to the best of us. Happens to all of us. Was that an emotional exit? Because I'm not re-entering now, but it feels like such an emotional exit. I mean, we swept that high with such strong force and came back lower, like super fast. So I like my exit. And yeah, I think I'm done for today, honestly. This New York session is straight ass cheeks, bro. Missed a good entry several times. We'll just look at price and observe. But I'm not, I feel like what price might do now is now it's going to come down lower. That was just such a good, it was a good exit. Definitely, I'm going to be honest, the $50 that the trade was, I'm glad that it wasn't minus 100. Be grateful, bro. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, no, steady one. It's just, what is it? Tape reading. I was tape reading a lot this morning. Even took a 50-point paper trade. So, when you take that type of trade, glad that I didn't get stopped out. Very grateful. Thanksgiving was yesterday, so yeah. And I mean, I might look for a re-entry, but this is just a sweep at the highs, and we have SMT divergence with ES, but I'm kind of not, you know, thinking about SMT divergence just because I feel like it's irrelevant right now, especially considering that ES might make all-time highs, and then Nasdaq is definitely gonna be bullish if that happens. So yeah, that was a good trade, good idea. Didn't fully work out, but almost did. Once we waked back, I was kind of thinking about just exiting, and now look, look at where the stop loss was placed. Yeah, that's funny. It is what it is. Glad I exited. Very glad I exited. Just saw that price is coming back sharply, and boom, took the exit, and yeah. I'm about to go take a dump, guys. I'll be back. Everyone, please hit the subscribe button. We did some safe, psychologically disciplined trading today. Please hit the subscribe button. Almost at 200. I'm going to come back and in like 10 minutes, and yeah, we're going to get back to work. We're going to keep on tape reading, maybe take another trade. We'll see. But yeah, 2 trades max, honestly. Stop loss was tight, nice and good, 100. So, like I said, didn't want to risk like 30 fucking points, That shit gets crazy. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple minutes. Okie dokie, I'm back. Thanks for waiting, guys. Yeah, thank you for saying nice call. Yeah, I mean, we didn't want to reach that. Um, Seems like so. It is what it is, you know. Like I said, can't ask too much of price. So, yeah, at the end of the day, shit happens. Let's take a look. So, I'm looking at that 15-minute fair value gap, but I'm also looking at this one. Oh, shoot. I mean, yeah, we still cash something from that trade. So, that, you know, the way I see it is like the money I make is more money, is not more money, but money I'm going to use to risk on my next trade. So, you know, like you gotta. I mean, it might be a little closed-minded thinking like that, but I feel like, you should always be like, you should always be aware of what you're risking. You know, it's important. I'm very like aware of how tight my stop losses are and whatnot. So yeah. So said he wants, and I'm excited about next trade if what? Just curious. Been live for an hour, and yeah, everybody please hit the subscribe button. Man, we're almost there. 200, so close. Thank you guys so much. New video's up today, by the way. Posted that an hour ago. I'll just be scheduling the uploads. But yeah, I have a video tomorrow that's going to be talking about the ATM model that we had last night. So, yeah. Okie dokie. Let's get back to business. Let's see if we're in the macro. We are indeed. We are indeed in the macro. So we're in the macro. Got my foot up on the gas. Somebody gotta do it. That makes sense, not gonna lie. What makes sense? That we're in the macro? Yeah, a lot of PD arrays have just failed on me today, so I'm just trying to just, tape read a little bit. 3-minute fair value app. So this is chop now, I think. Looking for that retracement, yo. Really badly want it, but might not give it to me. Let's see how hard we reject off that 3-minute fair value up. See if we reject off this 3-minute. Oops. Gotta know when to just take profits on that trade, man. That shit was sketchy. Tapped into it. Okay, we're gonna do a hypothetical short. $10 stop loss, and this is just a 1, not even a 1 to 2. This is a hypothetical short. I wouldn't take this. Just to test the waters on that 3-minute fair value app. That was just crazy. That was crazy. Literally, what is that? We were literally less than a point away from stopping me out on that. Wow. So this is where the no news Friday is really showing its true colors. I think we're in the macro. We're not doing jack, so we're not doing jack squat, bro. So this is where I feel like this is where no news Friday is truly showing off. Consolidation chopping. It's a ranging market, so yeah, the continuation leg happened earlier, but now I feel like if you take a trade right now, you're just gambling. Rest of the day might be as slow as this as well. Might just turn off my charts and call it a day. Very tempted to, but I feel like there's still some more tape reading to do, and maybe an entry, maybe. Okay, we can move the stop loss down on this hypothetical entry. 5-point stop loss. So once we move that stop loss down, risk, 1 to 3.5, 3.6. Could have played the market both ways today. If I were to short here, I would have targeted this low right here. Entrance to this 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe we have a PM session reversal. I mean, not reversal, continuation. But until then, it might just chop. And boom, got stopped out of the hypothetical trade. Do we keep it up there? No point now. Kind of want to get off my charts for today. It's really nothing. Tape reading wise, I mean, I'm tape reading, but I just, like, even on this tape read, it just seems a little bit boring, you know? Nothing crazy's happening. Just consolidating. Taking a lot of hypothetical trades. This was the one trade today. A little long, got out pretty early, so yeah. We're in the macro, so I feel like we're spooling now. 20-point stop loss is insane for me. I'm not taking that, but hypothetical long here. Stop loss literally under this candle right here, this swing low. And we can just play towards this. Oh, that's a short. Okay, hold on. I'm just playing consolidation, bro, to be honest. Like, I'm not even trying to trade this at this point. It's so choppy. I don't want to even be involved with this mess. Yeah, super choppy. Don't want to get involved. We'll see what happens, though. You don't want to get involved. It's one of those days where staying out might just be the better option. Alright, I kind of want to go do something else. I like trading when trading also kind of indicates to me that, actually, no more hypothetical trades. None of that. 3-minute inverse fair value gap. Let's see if we want to invert it again. There's really nothing to this market today. Had that big continuation leg, and yeah, overall it's just failed to give me accurate entries, so I'm not tripping about it. This is 2022 model, by the way. Except no retracement into the fair value gap. I'm actually tempted to take a short right there, but no shorts in this market. No shorts in this market at all. Man, that 15-minute fair value gap, such a good draw on liquidity though. I need an actual sign that we're gonna go lower, because I'm willing to take that short, honestly. I feel like I don't ever say head and shoulders, but it kind of looks like that. But this draw on liquidity right here, equal lows. Then once we take out these lows, maybe we can start reversing higher. But also it's 11 o'clock and we're approaching low probability conditions. Rashawn, I used top steps, so it's a prop firm. Yeah, we're approaching this. It's 11 o'clock. I don't want to trade during lunch hour. And it's starting to just look like low probability conditions. Like draws on liquidity don't matter. Fair value gaps don't matter. Things like that in these types of conditions. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm not really tripping about trading right now. I've already taken a $50 winner. Happy with that. I don't really have to go into anything crazy right now. Not gonna make a video on this session, but seeing it live. Fingers on the trigger. Low probability conditions, I have to stop myself from trading. I can feel myself getting impatient though. I can genuinely feel it. It's pretty bad. It's pretty freaking atrocious. The way I'm just, like, my brain is just so activated and stimulated right now. Like I need to trade or something like that. But gotta stop yourself. That was the short though. Hopefully. But it may or may not work out. You never know. My stop loss here. It's a $40 stop loss. It's gonna take that. It was gonna take that short. Missed opportunity. That's okay. This is a good learning experience. Low probability conditions. I'm gonna end the stream. Lock myself out of my account as well. Done for today. It was a good, decent tape reading session. We just discussed the macro. We talked about some fair value gap stuff. Yeah, I'll just go over real quick before we end the stream. The Asia session last night. Let's take a look. And the reason I'll go over it is because it's a great display of ICT concepts. We come down swiftly after market open, 6 p.m. Eastern timing, and then we sweep Southside liquidity, several levels of it, and I tell chat I want to see a manipulation leg lower that takes out this low, but doesn't close really outside of this 15-minute fair value gap, which is that. And then basically, let me show the execution. This is a $695 trade, 51 points, 7 micros, and I take a long expecting this fair value gap to get inversed. I also get stop loss right below this wick, so it's a $121 stop loss. The risk to reward was, I believe, I think 1 to 6 or something. And basically, we start displacing. I then see this higher time frame order block, and I don't want us to close below it. Price does exactly that. Right here, it's 8:56 p.m. Eastern timing, right here. But a couple minutes earlier, I had put displaced before 8:58 p.m. Eastern timing. So calling it all real time, all on stream. It was a great stream yesterday, and yeah, we caught the target exactly. I actually exited a little bit earlier. My take profit was up here, but I looked at some SMT divergence with ES and kind of got scared out of my position, got tricked, but that's okay. Yeah, look how I was looking at shorts, and now it looks like longs, and I feel like it's just going to keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So, yeah, I'm done for today. I'm just going to go lock myself out and, yeah, play the disclaimer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, by the way. Also, this is not financial advice. Please do not treat it as such. This is my little disclaimer that I made right here. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so tempted to just take some type of crazy long right here. Laters, yeah, absolutely, Sui's.